Good morning, children. This is Shivalsu speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter fractions and we have already completed exercise 7.1 and 7.2. So, here in this video, we are going to talk about exercise 7.3. Very interesting things are given in this exercise, children. So, we will do it nicely. The first question is about write the fractions. Are all these fractions equivalent or not? Okay, children, the very first job is what? We have to draw the diagrams with pencil on our white copy. Okay, without diagram, the figures are absolutely without diagram or without the figure, these questions or the solutions are absolutely incomplete. Look at the first one. Out of two parts, one part is completely shaded. So what is the fraction of this one is, children? 1 by 2. Why 1 by 2? Because out of two parts, one part is completely shaded. So the fraction of the shaded portion is 1 by 2. Look at the second one. Uh, two parts are shaded. Out of four parts, two parts are shaded. So what is the fraction, children? The fraction is 2 by 4. Out of four parts, two parts are shaded. Question number 3 is, the third one is, having how many equal parts? There are 3 and 3, 6 equal parts. So out of 6 equal parts, it is 3 are shaded, so the fraction is 3 by 6. The last one is, children, there are 8 equal parts. Out of 8 equal parts, 4 parts are shaded. So what is the fraction, children? The fraction is 4 by 8. So I got all the fractions over here. Now the question is, children, whether they are equivalent or not. Let us check it out. Let us cancel 2 and 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. It's 1 by 2. Okay. Next one is 3 and 6, 3 twos are 6, 1. It is 1 by 2 only. Next one is, if I cancel 4 and 8, 4 twos are 8. It's 1 by 2 only. So children, as we all can see, everywhere I'm getting 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. That means all the fractions are resulting 1 by 2. So they are all equivalent fraction. So I believe it's clear to everybody, children. This is how we have to find out all the fractions over here. If you look at question number B, it is done in the same way. Figures must be drawn, children. The question is like in the first figure, as we all can see, there are 12 circles. Out of 12, 4 circles are shaded. So the fraction is 4 by 12. Next one, 3 circles are shaded out of 9 circles. So the fraction is 3 by 9. Okay. Next one, like there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6, 2 circles are shaded. Okay. Next one is out of 3, 1 is shaded. It's 1 by 3. Next one is out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 5s are 15. Out of 15 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 circles are shaded. Now we can check it out whether they are equivalent or not. Let us cancel them. 4 3s are 12, 1 by 3. Then 3 3s are 9, 1 by 3. 3 2s are 6, 1 by 3. It's already 1 by 3. And this is 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. This is different 2 by 5. All these fractions are 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, but the last one is 2 by 5. So children, we can simply say no, they are not equivalent fractions. Okay children, now let us talk about, so children, I want you to try out all these questions related to this. I want you to understand question number 3, which is very interesting. 2 by 7 is equal to 8 by missing number. Children, we have to find this missing value in the box. When 2 becomes 8, when we multiply by 4 with 2, multiplied by 4. 4 2s are 8. As we are multiplying 4 with 2, we have to multiply 4 with the denominator as well. Okay, as we are multiplying the numerator, we have to multiply with denominator as well. So 4 2s are 8 and 4 7s are 28. The fraction is 8 by 28. Next one, number B, 5 by 8. That is equal to 10 by something. Children, at what condition 5 becomes 10? When we multiply it by 2. So with the new denominator also we have to multiply it by 2. So 5 2s are 10 and 8 2s are 16. Children, this is how we have to find out all these missing numbers. So I believe it's clear to everyone. There is no doubts at all. If there is any confusions or doubts, please let me know. Feel free to speak to me. And I want you to try out question number 3, question number 4, question number 5. These 3 questions and should be submitted in the Google Classroom. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.